Hi, I am Sue. You can call me Dax. Today I am making my own burger. Do you like burgers? My mom used to make burgers when I was little. That is why I like it. Okay, you need buns, meat, lettuce, cheese, tomatoes, pickles, and ketchup. We cover food ingredients. Before starting cooking, wash your hands, wear an apron. Then shall start cooking. First, wash the lettuce clean and prepare it. Wash the tomatoes and cut them sideways. Make the minced meat round and press it hard to grill it. This kind of meat is called a patty, a burger patty. Cut the bread in half. Spread ketchup on the cut side. Stack lettuce, perry, tomatoes, and pickles on it. I am not going to put any cheese on top because I actually hate cheese. If you guys like cheese, you can put it in. And put the cut bread half on top. Now I am doing my hamburger. Wow, it's good. You should make it too. Thank you.